Federal Credit Union's Assistant Vice President of Residential Lending, Chris Davis, joins us to discuss a recent survey about VA loan knowledge, clear up some common VA loan misconceptions, and share home buying and refinancing tips. Thank you so very much for joining us today, sir. We really do appreciate your time. So what did your survey reveal about VA loan knowledge?
We just released this new report. It's entitled Spotlight on VA Loans. And for the report, we surveyed over 1,000 service members, both active duty and veterans, and we wanted to learn more about their knowledge and their opinions on VA home loans. One of the things that we uncovered was that more than 40% of those from the survey had a mortgage, but didn't use their VA home loan benefit. We found out that the general awareness of the program is high. In fact, the survey shows that 92% are aware of the program. But many held misconceptions about the benefits and the features of VA home loans. On average, there were 2 to 3 critical misconceptions that may be preventing these people from taking advantage of this well-earned benefit.
All right, so let's talk about those misconceptions. Like, what are they? What misconceptions are keeping military families from using VA loans?
Yes, one of the misconceptions is around down payment. It was common. And of course, a large down payment can be a big barrier to home ownership, but VA loans do not require a down payment. 2/3 of our respondents believe that a down payment is required. Also, we found that few from this military community were seeking information from their lender. We know that it's important to work with a lender that specializes in serving the military community, one like Navy Federal. And then further, we found out that realtors working with active duty and veterans need to have a strong understanding of VA loans, and they need to have a strong understanding of military buyers' unique needs.
You know, I used to work in real estate for a while. I was an agent, and I did specialize in working with military families because I am a military brat myself. And you're right, there was a lot of misconceptions, especially around the that deposit, which, like as you alluded to, can be pretty serious, especially if you want to avoid PMI, right? So can you share some tips to help service members, make the most of these VA loans?
Absolutely. So we know that VA mortgage loans are designed to make home ownership more attainable. Generally, VA loans will have a lower interest rate than conventional loans. Generally, VA loans will have more flexible underwriting parameters. This is just going to make it easier to qualify for a loan. Also, once you have a VA loan, one of the benefits or one of the features of a VA loan is the streamlined refinance, which is a reduced documentation and closing cost loan. This is going to be very important now that we're likely in a declining interest rate market. Also, to help out the real estate agents, we offer free specialized training for realtors, including realtor continuing education. And then we'll connect our buyers to trained agents with the Navy Federal Realty Plus program.
That sounds amazing. I can tell you guys, I have been a Navy Federal customer for many, many years. My dad was a retired chief, and so I've been involved in using to help buy cars and stuff like that. So they are a fantastic company to work with, especially when you're talking about VA loans, mortgages, stuff like that. All right, sir, before I let you go, where can we go to learn some more information?
If you want to learn more about VA loans, visit any of our branches or call our toll-free contact center anytime. Also, everyone can use the tremendous tools and resources that we have available online at NavyFederal.org.
Right on, NavyFederal.org. Chris, thank you so very much for your time. Guys, if you want to catch this segment again or others like it, just head over to First Coast News Plus.